Welcome to online classes. Before explaining in this recording, I will refer some sentences where you be an ogre's guest, walk then to the heart of Nome, where wicked witches roam, and where trolls have made their home around the tooth fairy's dome. Now start here the explanation. Then turn left to where the wily wizard stayed behind the corner where pointy pixies played, and then to the right where brownies dwelt. Explanation 1. The poet describes further for the traveller and says to the traveller, turn left there, the clever enchanter is living, and while move to behind, then the traveller can find acute supernatural human with pointed ears and pointed hat. After visit, then turn right, then lived internally helpful mythical creatures. Now explanation 2. The poet expresses the way to the explorers who want to visit imaginary land. The poet tells to the visitor, turn left there the tricky Megas is living, and while proceed to behind there the visitor can observe sharp supernatural human with pointed ears and a pointed hat. After visit them, they turn right, there dwell brownies, the small, helpful, mythical being. Explanation 3. Here the poet describes the way to the imaginary land and gives the direction to the tourist. Turn left, there the smart mage is living, and when proceed to back, then the tourist can find sharp supernatural human being with pointed ears and pointed hat. After visit them, then ask the poet to turn right, there dwell the helpful imaginary creatures. Now from book, in Lil Mushroom mentions where spells they spelled, and if you have time to actually eavesdrop, place that ear against the key hole of the elf's lil shop. In Little Mushroom, explanation 1. In Little Mushroom Hall, where a state of enchantment ongoing, and if the visitor have time to listen secretly the conversation, they can hear from, for that visitors need to fix their ear against the keyhole of the elf's little shop. Explanation 2. As per the description of the poet, if the traveller like to visit the little mushroom abode where the spoken word of magical power ongoing, and if the traveller have time to hear the sacred conversation, they may fix their ears against the keyhole of the elf's little establishment. Explanation 3. The poet describes the way by which the visitor can visit the small mushrooms manor where the series of words have magical power or trick ongoing, and if the visitor like to listen the same secretly, they can adjust their ears to the keyhole of the tiny elf's shop. Now from book, here their enchanting chants as they sell their magic rands. Here tall tales about short pixies or of leprechauns in their 60s. Now explanation 1. The poet requests the traveller to hear the magical words of little elf. They sell their magic sticks. Also able to hear the long stories about short supernatural being with pointed ears and pointed hat. or the tales of the 60s small elves or fairies. Explanation 2. The poet described the way to visit and enjoy the enchanting chats of elves who are selling the magic lands. Explorers can hear the long stories about the children's series of short pixies or the tales of small elves or fairies who are present. They are 60 in persons. Explanation 3. The poet further tell to the traveler to hear the magical words and can find the elves sell their magical power in stick. Also can enjoy to hear the long stories about short figure pixies or the small spirits who are present 60 in person. Now then you will from book then you will come across a Jenny's cave where when you see a sprite just wait to sink to Lord's toadstool size. Now do not you pick a seal now, just ask that genie to show you how. Then lastly move on to where live the imps. The explanation. The poet says that then the visitor will come across the magical spirit's den. Then the visitor can find a sprite and the person just wave and avoid the red and white mushroom which is inedible and forbid to pick it. And finally the visitor can ask the genie, a spirit of Arabian folktale, to the visitor how to move where the imps live. Explanation 2. The poet tells that then the poets tell then the traveler will come across the magical spirits home. There the visitor can see a spirit and the visitor just wave hand and avoid the white and red mushroom and forbid to collect it. Finally, the traveler is just ask the genie, a spirit of Arabian or Persia, to show how to move the place where the imps live. Imps means a small mischief sprites, S-P-R-I-T-S sprites. Explanation 3. The poet further describes to the tourist that then the tourist will come across a magical spirit who will do whatever the person wants. There the tourist can notice a sprite and tourist just wave his hand and avoid the red and white mushroom which is inedible and forbid to pick it or touch it. And finally the tourist can request the genie, a spirit of Arabian folktale, to show how to enter the place where the imps live. Now from the book. This magic might really have descended from chimps. As per the poet, the imps might really have descended form of chimpanzee. Explanation 2. As per the poet, the imps must be the lower form of chimpanzee. Explanation 3. The poet assumes that the imps might be the down form of chimpanzee. Now from book. But the notion and creatures are imaginary like Greek mythology and the theory. It travels willfully. If traveler willfully want to lost, send them there at all or no cost. As per explanation 1, as per the poet, the idea and the creatures are unreal. It is like green Greek mythology and the opinion if the traveler purposely want to lost, the traveler may go there without any cost. Explanation 2. The poet tells the traveler the belief and this creature are frictional. It is an as per Greek mythology and the speculation if traveler deliberately want to lost as per the poet they can go without any cost. Explanation 3. The poet describes the tourist that the concept and their creations are mythical as per Greek mythology and the assumption if the tourist want to lost himself then he can go there with no cost. That is the end of your lecture and the second lecture.